Rwyf am gwrdd â gweithwyr proffesiynol yn y diwydiant a cael profiad ymarferol a bydd yn gwella fy sgiliau. A dwi'n edrych ymlaen at popeth sy'n dod.
I have a background in design. I love sculpture. I love being creative. So working with real effects, it has a lot of different avenues that I can explore, from the prosthetics to the more kind of demolition, more fun side, or kind of rigging and electronics for that. So yes, there's a lot of different routes I can take. So it's quite nice to have a look to see what they do. And what kind of fits to what I enjoy, my interests, and learn about jobs which I didn't know were out there.
I probably would look at myself in a couple of years and hope that I have gained a lot from this experience in terms of qualities, networking and meeting people, and understand a bit more about the industry. And I think that I could bring a lot of perspective to it from my point of view in terms of being a younger person, and the world's much different now, and having to revamp everything in the media. I think it's a good perspective to have, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
I'm really excited for this opportunity because I've always wanted to work on the production side of things, and I'm just excited to explore that a bit more.
I aspire to further develop my skills as a production assistant, and I hope to just gain a knowledge and understanding of the overall industry that is media production. And at the crux and the finale of my career, I hope to work on large productions and such as like film productions and documentaries and stuff.
I'm excited to be at ITV because I'm a big fan of the work they do anyway, and everyone there has been so lovely and welcoming, so I'm really enjoying it. And I would like to aspire to become a producer myself one day, which I seem really lucky to be at ITV because a lot of people have producing skills or experience, so they can mentor me and show me the way, which is exciting.
What I would love from this apprenticeship would be to get as much knowledge as possible from it, so in the future I can pursue careers like being a TV presenter, a radio presenter, or having my little show.
What I'm most looking forward to about this apprenticeship is the ability for me to get on the job training, for me to gain a qualification, for me to meet new contacts and get real world experience on the job. And for me, I think this will be a fantastic stepping stone into my future career, being better qualified and having on the job training. And I think this will really aid me progressing in my career at the BBC.
From the apprenticeship, I'm hoping to learn lots of new things and develop different skills. I'm looking forward to find out what I enjoy about being on the apprenticeship and what I'm good at. From the apprenticeship, I'd like, hopefully by the end, to have a job with the BBC. I'm quite interested in making content and presenting, so hopefully I'd have a role within that.
I really hope I can gain some really useful skills from this apprenticeship and in the future work in production management.
Hopefully over the course of the year, I'll gain experience in sound production where I get to, in future, be an executive producer as well in the sound and hopefully programs as well, because there are lots of interesting things about ITV Wales and the offices there, so it'd be nice to actually produce.
So during this apprenticeship, I hope to have the experience and knowledge to go into potentially journalism or production.
I am super excited to start because all my life I have dreamt about being behind the scenes on television and doing something I love. It has been my dream to work in the industry, and this has given me the opportunity to do so.
I hope in the future I can work within the advertisement industry and helping brands reach the exposure they deserve and help people advertisement in their brands.
I'm really looking forward to working with professionals in the industry and getting to know more about the media.
Gobeithio dysgu sgiliau newydd, cwrdd â pobl newydd, a gobeithio cael swydd gyda'r BBC ar ddiwedd y Prentisiaeth.
And I'm hoping to get a lot of experience, obviously, with the greatest people in the UK. Hopefully I get to move around into different departments to experience a lot of different activities, see how it all works, and I just hope I get a good experience that I can use for my future.
What I want what I'm looking forward to most out of this job is getting to work with creative people and also getting to work with cameras and all the technology surrounding it.
I'm really excited to be learning with Skill Cymru, as I can't wait to learn so many transferable skills that will help me in my career going forward. Also as well, to be in a position with so many people like me, you get to learn about their experiences, which can also as well help me gauge and learn as I'm going through this journey.